So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-update ng ating Canva app. But first, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video, mula sa ating Android phone, pumunta lang tayo or itap lang natin yung ating Google Play Store. So dito tayo guys mag-update ng ating Canva. So pagka-open, itap lang natin yung search or yung search bar. And then type natin yung Canva. And then search. So ayan guys, open lang natin yung Canva. So kung hindi pa updated yung inyong Canva AI photo and video editor, ganito yung lalabas guys, update. Pero kung updated na yan, open na lang yung nakalagay. So since nga hindi pa to updated, tap natin yung update. And wait natin guys hanggang sa matapos ma-install. So ayan, installing na yung ating bagong update na Canva app dito sa ating phone. So ayan guys, nag-open na siya. So ibig sabihin updated na. So tap natin yung open. And ayan guys, kung mapapansin nyo, may mga bagong features na nagdagdag dito sa ating Canva app. So ayun lang guys, ganun lang kasimple kung paano mag-update ng Canva. If you have a question, can you comment down below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!